Hello guys, today we've learn how to write a program to find a factorial of number. To implement this, we require Visual Studio Code, MinGW compiler and CC extension installed in Visual Studio Code. Now let us understand what is factorial. The factorial of positive number n is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 and 1. The factorial of 0 is 1 and there is no factorial for negative numbers. Now let us understand here factorial of any number is. You can see it is in decremented multiplication of decremented order like n minus 1, n minus 2. Let us, we have a number 4. Now I want to know the factorial of 4. So what will happen like 4 minus 1 that is 3, 4 minus 2 that is 2 and 4 minus 3 that is 1 and 4 minus 4 that is 0 means 1. So here you can see factorial of 4 each 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 that is 24 means 4 factorial equal to 24. Now we will achieve this through the recursion technique. Now let us see understand a factorial programs. Now here you can see we have defined a function name factorial and passing a parameter integer variable number. Now in number greater than 0 then we return number into fact num minus 1. According to the condition you can see n minus 1. So we have written like number into n minus 1 and get the fact functions. And if we get number equal 0 or less than 0, so simply we return 0 as we know that factorial of 0 is 1. And here you can see that is the main function. Here I am defining a number integer data type and initialize a value 4 and passing this number to function fact, and after that when you will get the result, this result will be printed. Now let us see understand these programs. Now see here integer main, integer number where number is a variable or data type integer, and here we have initialized number equal to 4. Now I want to the factorial of 4. So here you can see fact numbers and this is a function. Calling this function we have written factorial integer number. So let us see what will happen if integer real fact of number 4, and after that this will call this function. So let us see. If we call this function first time fact number 4, so what will happen? Here you can see integer data type with return type is integer, and this is function name fact integer numbers becomes 4, and here you can check the condition. If 4 greater than 0, then return will be number into factorial of num minus 1, and num will be 4 and into fact is a function 4 minus 1 that is 3. Again this is a function, then it will call again this function name. So let us see what will happen. So when passing 4, it will be return 4 into function name fact n minus 1, 4 minus 1 means 3. So after passing the this function as a parameter number 4, so it will goes here and 4 greater than 0, that will return number num into fact of num minus 1. So you can see return 4 into fact of 3. But here you will see we will not get the actual answer. Again it is 4 into fact of 3, calling the function fact 3 again. So what will happen, it will call repeatedly until it will get the final result in a integer. So here you can see if fact 3, that is a function fact 3, again this call will this function, and here you can see integer number become 3 and 3 greater than 0, that is true. Then what will get, return number 3 into fact num minus 1, means fact 3 minus 1 2. So here you can see, now you can see in second time what we will get, return 3 into fact of 2. Fact again it is a function, then again it will call this function. So here integer number becomes 2 and 2 greater than 0. Then what we will return, 2 into fact num minus 1, means 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here you can see 2 and fact 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here we will get 2 into fact of 1. Again this is a function name fact 1. So again this will called, so fact value will fact and integer number parameters number will becomes 1, and you can see 1 greater than 0, that is true. Again you will get 1 into fact of 1 minus 1, means 0, fact 0. So we will get return fact of 0. Again you can see this is again a function fact 0. So again this function will call this one and number becomes 0. Here you can see num greater than 0, that is false, 0 greater than 0, that is false. So what we will get, return 1. Finally we will get the 1. So here you can see we will get the value of 1. Function return fact 0 1, but now we will reverse and evaluated each functions until it will get result. So here you can see, now we will get reverse. Here you can see fact of 0, means this function will return 0 value. Here you can see fact of 0 return 1, so that function fact 0 will return 1. So simply we'll write here fact 0 in place of fact 0, you will get 1. So this value will be 1 into 1, means 1, and again reverse back. Here you can see return 2 into fact of 1, means function factorial 1, fact of 1. What you will get, return 1 into 1, means 1. So here we can write return 2 and fact of 1, this function return 1 into 1. So here we write 1. So will this function value this, and this function value this. So here you can see return 1, here you write. Now again go through reverse. Here you can see return 3 and fact of 2, means this function 2 will return 2 into 1. So simply in place of fact 2 we write 2, and so here you can see return 3 into 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Now again back 1, here you can see return 4, and this function value fact of 3 will, what we will get, 6, 3 into 2. So here you can write 3 into 6, 3 into 2 means 6. So finally here we get the result written 6, 4 into 6 equal to
24.
so that is the factorial of 4, value of factorial 4. So you can see first you can see return 4 into fact of 3, and after that you will get factorial 3 value 3 into fact 2, and factorial 2 value 2 into factorial of 1, and factorial 1 value return 1 into factorial of 0, and 1 into fact 0 value in return 1. And again here you can see you can reverse until we will get the value of each functions, and after that in last you can say 4 and value of this function factorial to 6, and 4 into 6 is
24.
so that's why here we are writing a program to calculate the factorial of a number. Now run this program in Visual Studio and see whether we'll get the proper result or not. Open Visual Studio Code. Now go to folder C program and click on new, and you can write here factorial.c and see the same program I have pasted what we have learned, like factorial integer number greater than 0 and number minus fact n minus 1. Here we process according to the definition of factorial, and it will be recursive, so it will get the answer. And after that you can see integer main, integer number equal to 4, and result here you can see fact of number. So until the result will be print, until we will get the final result and result will be print. So run this program. So here you can see in the factorial of 4 is 24. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.